VIP rooms.
Rara Taylor. Keisha Johnson, baby.
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Longwood now presides.
Thank you, Ms. Diaz.
You may now be seated.
I'd like the paperwork there, Ms. Diaz, please. Appreciate it. Thank you, Ms. Diaz. All right. Calling OG Wanda to the stand, inmate 764931. Please state your name.
OG Wanda.
OG Wanda 764931, correct?
That's correct.
Miss Wanda, why was you shaking so fast? And why didn't you have your license and tags on you?
Man, Judge, my jam was on, and hey, I just was in the mood. I was in the zone, and I had this sexy, tight outfit on. Woo! Let me tell you. And I didn't have no place to put my tags. That's why I didn't have them on.
Really? I see.
Really?
I see we have a photograph here of what you had on that day.
Yeah, you see my point?
Okay, well, today, guilty.
Man.
Ms. Wanda, you may be dismissed.
Man.
Who we got here? Inmate 557092, Rara.
5570. That's me. Yes, I'm present.
Please state your name.
It's Rara.
Okay, all right. Rara, now you know it was dangerous for you to be going down that highway.
Okay. Excuse me, Judge. May I? Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Hands up, don't shoot. Okay? We deserve to be heard. We deserve to be seen. Black lives matter.
Okay, Miss Rara, I understand Black Lives Matter, okay?
I want to live. I want you to live too, Judge.
Guilty.
What? I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Please remove her out of my court, please. Thank you, Miss Diaz.
Excuse me. I don't like it.
Ma'am, you can, Rara, you may be dismissed. Please exit your way out by the officer.
That's it?
Ma'am, please escort before I file you a contempt in court.
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss Diaz. I'm sorry, Miss Rara. Miss Diaz, you got me go.
This is Officer Jay. Would you please come with me? Rara. Come with me.
What we having for breakfast, Miss Diaz? All right, Miss Diaz, can we get the next papers for the next inmate, please? Thank Thank you, Miss Diaz. I appreciate that. Miss Diaz, I'm saying it the third time now. You gotta take me out to lunch. All right, who we got here? Oh, Lord. Inmate 29075P. Oh, Lord have mercy. P, I done told you don't come to my courtroom no more.
Yeah, what's up, Judge? What's up?
Now, what is that?
It's a baby bear cub. It's the one I saved from that stupid mom. I call him George.
Oh, Lord.
No, all animal lives matter. His lives matter. This is George. Yes, George, we're gonna be all right. Say hi to the judge. What up, Judge? What?
Guilty.
Wait! You don't
Yeah,
like animals? Come on, don't do that to George. Come on.
I told you. No. Miss Diaz, this is process this right now.
Come on, George. Look at him. Look
Get
at
out
his
of my
face.
courtroom, P.
George. Judge. Judge. Judge.
Oh, jacket on.
Judge. Judge.
Get out of my courtroom, P.
Ah,
Lord have
man,
mercy.
get you in. Man, come on, George.
All right, we got anything else, Miss Diaz?
No, Your Honor.
All right, this court has been adjourned.
P. Williams.